This carrier is suitable for babies from 7 pounds for front facing in. Start by unbuckling all the straps and the waistband so everything is fully open. Find the hidden Velcro tabs inside the waistband. Open the Velcro. Slide the fabric in or out to adjust the seat width. Then reattach the Velcro. Keep the panel flat and smooth as you press it into place. Place the waistband at your natural waist, a little higher if you have a smaller baby. Then feed the buckle through the safety loop and fasten it until it clicks. Then rotate so the buckle sits at your back and tighten until it feels snug. Hold baby upright on your chest facing you. Use one hand to bring the carrier panel up around baby and hold it in place. With one hand still supporting baby, bring one strap over your shoulder. Switch hands, reach back, and clip it into the buckle on the opposite side until you hear a click. Then bring the other strap over your shoulder. Switch hands again and buckle it on the opposite side. Tighten both straps evenly until baby feels snug and close to your body. Check that the straps feel snug and comfortable and form an X across the center of your back to help balance weight evenly. Lift slightly under baby's bottom as you tighten to remove slack. Reposition baby so their knees sit higher than their bottom, creating an M shape. Make sure baby is centered and their thighs are supported from knee to knee. You can use the head support flap for extra head support or a bit of privacy. For smaller babies, use just one side so baby stays visible and their airway stays clear. Snap it into place or flip it up as needed. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.K.S check. Make sure baby is tight and secure, in view at all times, close enough to kiss, with their chin off their chest, and their back supported in an upright position. Keep checking in on baby every few minutes while you're out.